Hi again, Year 9. Welcome to another home learning video. This week we're going to be moving on to start looking at Figure 2, which focuses all around deforestation. We'll be doing this by breaking down the figure once again, like we did in the last set of videos, and looking at it section by section. So here's the extract for this week. It's focusing all around deforestation with some graphs. Pause the video now to look at it closely, and whilst reading, start to think again about the questions that might be asked. I recommend you try to get your head around the graphs. Okay, so hopefully you've read through that. Just a quick explanation of the graphs for anyone who didn't quite understand. The first graph over here shows the amount of the Amazon lost each year, measured in hectares for both the Brazilian and non-Brazilian Amazon. Okay, those two different colours in a compound bar graph. So you can see here, for example, that in the year 2001, just under 2 million, hectares of the Amazon was lost in Brazil, being that green column there. The second graph is showing rates of deforestation from two different time periods. Those time periods being 2000 to 2005 and then 2005 to 2010. So for example, in Indonesia, there was a 107% higher deforestation rate for the period of 2005 to 2010 compared to 2000 to 2005. Or for Mexico, at the other end of the scale, there was a 37% lower deforestation rate in 2005 to 2010 than there was in 2000 to 2005. It's important to remember that you are looking at rates here and not a total figure of deforestation. The first one is a total figure, the second graph is for rates. So, using information you learned on the last slide, have a go at the exam questions you can see on your screen now. There are 2 marks in total on offer here, so pause the video and spend a maximum of 2 minutes answering them. When ready, you can resume the video and we will have a quick run through the answers. Okay, so hopefully you've answered those. For the first question, you should have selected the top answer, whilst for the second, the correct answer was Nicaragua. Just testing your ability to read those graphs there. Finally, try to answer this 3-mark question that you can see on your screen now. Pause the video, and then when done, we will go over the answer. So on your screen, you should be able to see the mark scheme, You will see that each of the 3 marks is given for making a correct point, So 3 correct points would mean 3 marks. Alternatively, you can actually gain a mark for the use of data to develop one of your points, You'll see that in the bottom end of the mark scheme here. You need to be careful to talk about both data sets here, If you haven't mentioned both, then you won't get the mark, and you also need to make sure that you are doing a comparison. So what I mean by that, for example, if you just make the point on its own that deforestation is high in the Brazilian rainforest, then you would not get the mark. However, if you said it was higher, adding that bit on the end there, and what it is higher than, so the non-Brazilian Amazon, then you would get the mark. So you can see it is important to be clear here and pay close attention to the command word in the question to get the marks. So thanks for watching another video, and you'll be getting the next one soon. Take care.